Good morning. This video is to show you how to upload an EKG into the Codestat reviewer system. Beginning January 1st, we will no longer use DT Express and Scanalyzer to upload EKGs, but we will use Codestat Reviewer. Each station has at least one computer that has been loaded with Codestat. After January 1st, all computers that have DT Express will be converted to Codestat. The plan is that a paramedic can come back and use any computer to upload an EKG without having to wait for a particular computer to become available. To use the Codestat system, you simply put the cursor over the Codestat icon. The Codestat icon is the heart with the EKG through it. Double-click on the icon, and the program opens. The user ID and password for the Codestat program have been defaulted to the station number that you're at. In this case, I'm at station 10, so the user ID will be 10 and the password will be 10. And open the program. Once the program opens up, you'll notice that there is an icon in the upper left-hand corner that looks like an AED. When you put the cursor over the icon, Download Wizard appears. Press the Download Wizard to begin the process. Once Download Wizard has opened up, it will ask you which LifePak you're using. At some stations it will not do this. You'll simply find the instructions for uploading an EKG will appear. If it asks you which monitor you're using, simply highlight the LifePak 12 and push Next. This particular computer is running particularly slowly because of the fact that the Camtasia program is working. In most cases this will take just a second or two. Once you've told it which monitor you're using, and in most cases as soon as the program opens up, your instructions for uploading an EKG will appear on the screen. There's no longer a need to have a laminated sheet next to each computer to remind us of the process. The process for uploading an EKG is very similar to using Scanalyzer. Connect the serial cable, turn on the LifePak, push the Options button, enter the archives, and send data. Everything that you need to do has been defaulted except for the patient that you want to upload. Identify which patient you want to upload and push Send. The LifePak will automatically communicate with the computer, negotiate the data rate, it'll reset the clock on the LifePak to the computer's time, and your download is complete. Push the Finish button, and Codestat will import the data from the LifePak into a temporary internet file. This process will normally take just a few seconds. EKGs that have more data, such as cardiac arrests, will take a little bit longer. A simple 12-lead will take just a second or two. Once the file is imported, it will appear in the toolbar. There's the date and the time of the case we just imported. Place the cursor over the file, right-click your mouse, and go down to Export. This is the equivalent for Codestat of uploading the EKG. You have one option for exporting it, in this case Fire Station 10. Each station will automatically export to its own file. Click on Fire Station 10 and the export will begin. The process will then give you an option of naming the file. The file name will be your universal run number. If you wish to put the patient's initials as well, that can make it easier to find later if we need to recover the file. File name, push Save, and you're done. Close the program and disconnect your LifePak. Thank you for paying attention.